So guys, I'm gonna unbox something. This one. Yeah. And so I'm gonna unbox. Yeah. There. So okay. This spirit
Kasama-sama na sa Yendi. Ay, naku.
okay, my mom is gonna help me because yeah. From now on, I have. Where's the toy? Bakit wala yung toy? Bakit wala?
Nandyan, hanapin mo. Ibukas mo na.
So, I buy this. This sandal. Yeah, I like this pair so much. So I buy this fidget slow motion. So I'm gonna open it right away. Oh, it's cute. This Cinnamoroll. OMG, it's so cute. It's good, guys. Look at this. OMG, yeah. So that's it. All what I buy. So I just buy two, and the others is my mommy's and my daddy's. So goodbye, guys. Bye. Cinnamoroll. So in 30, the day 30, we gotta go to Pampanga and I gotta buy my fake nails. Bye.